This is number 10 from the 2025 Algebra 1 EOC. It says, which graph best represents the solution set of 3y minus 2x is less than or equal to negative 6. So I'm going to rewrite that inequality, and we're just going to go ahead and get this in slope-intercept form, which means we want y by itself. And so I'm going to do that by adding 2x to both sides. That's going to cancel and leave me with 3y is less than or equal to 2x minus 6. Now I can divide by 3 on every term, and that's going to get y by itself to y is less than or equal to 2 over 3x minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So now we know a couple of things. Our y-intercept is negative 2, which means we can mark out letter C and letter D. We also know our slope is 2 over 3, and letter A and B both have a slope of 2 over 3, which means the only other thing to check is our inequality sign. So we have a less than or equal to sign, which means we're going to have a solid line, and because it's less than or equal to, we're going to shade below the line. For letter A, they shade above the line, so that doesn't work. Letter B, they shade below the line, so that checks out, so we are going to go with letter B. If you're getting ready for the Algebra 1 EOC or just need help in general, I've created a platform with all of my video lessons, hundreds of practice problems, and a 24/7 AI tutor that can help you on homework or any concept that you're not understanding. If you want to check it out, just comment all day and I'll send you the link.